Today I pretty much spent most of the day making this wig, but I'm so excited about it. It's a mullet wig. Let me show you. Right? Cute. So cute. It looks a little bit rough now, but I'm kind of going for like a very layered, messy look, and then I'm going to curl it as well. So like this hairstyle is just very forgiving. But yeah, I made this wig, like I sewed the tracks onto the wig. I cut and layered the hair myself, sewed on the closure and everything, like unclockable. Anyway, just wanted to show you her before I put her away for tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm gonna like put it on, style it. I love her. I'm in love with her. I don't know what to name her yet, but I'm obsessed. My room is a mess. I'm gonna set up my filming setup for tomorrow so that I can just jump in front of the camera, because I want to start filming really early. And I have a giant pile of clothes on my couch. Oh, I don't even think I talked about the couch. I found the couch outside, like deep cleaned and sanitized the mess out of it, and I am loving the couch in my room. I don't know how it fits in my room because it's honestly kind of big, but the way my room is set up, it just looks amazing in the space. It's not completely done yet because it was a piece of a sectional, so it's missing some of the sides, but that's a problem for future me. My phone vibrating. Nobody ever talks to me. Oh, it's just my mom. So back to the couch. I used to have a chair in that corner, but now the couch is there. I don't have room for both, nor did I really want that chair in here. It was kind of like a reject from the living room. Yeah, and before, that chair would kind of be the chair, you know, like when you need to do laundry or you've just done laundry and the chair collects all of your clothes and stuff that needs to be washed or is freshly washed. So that's what that pile is. That pile is freshly clean laundry. I think I'm just gonna put on some videos or podcasts and clean this up. And I figured I'd leave this in the vlog because I really like watching other people clean spaces. I feel like it's so satisfying, so I'm gonna leave this in.
this stuff. Oh, I see. You think none of this has to do with you. You go to your wardrobe and you pick out that, I don't know, that frumpy blue sweater, but what you don't realize is that sweater actually isn't blue, it's not lapis, it's actually cerulean. You're also blindly unaware of the fact that in 2002, Oscar de la Renta did a collection of cerulean gowns, and I think it was, he was in the wrong, who did a collection of cerulean military jackets. And the cerulean quickly ended up in the collection of about 10 to 20 different designers. And then it trickled on down through fast fashion into some department store where you no doubt fished it out of some clearance bin. But what you don't realize is that blue represents millions of dollars and countless jobs. And it's sort of comical how you think that you've made a decision that exempts you from the fashion world, when in fact, you're wearing a sweater that was handpicked for you by people in this room from a pile of stuff.
Hello, it's me again. Just popping in because I finished filming a couple videos, and like, while it's tiring and like physically and mentally a little bit trying at times, I really like the process, because when it's over, I'm like so sad that I look so good and I have absolutely nowhere to go. And I'm like, I'm really done. Like, not only did I film, but I took like videos, pictures for Instagram. Like, baby girl, there's nothing else left for you to do. Right? No, look, Dan, look at my camera. Yeah. How pink. Dan, can you see it? I can't move my hands. How cute. Yeah. Today I'm just gonna get ready to edit all day. I filmed a lot of videos, so I have to edit them all, which means I'll mostly be inside all day. And I feel like on days like today, it's easy to just throw on whatever or just work in my pajamas. But I've noticed recently that that doesn't work for me. I can do it, but at the end of the day, I end up just feeling so lumpy. And I tried the whole get up, get dressed, do your makeup, but that's way too much. So I like to find a nice middle ground. Sometimes I'll wear clothes that are bummier than others, but that's just all that I have clean at the time, which is fine. I don't always have good options when it comes to clothes to wear in the house that are cute and comfortable. But I can do something about my hair. Lately I've been doing 2 side buns, which has been really cute and actually really comfortable for whenever I'm like laid up against a wall. It doesn't hurt like the back of my head. I also make sure that the bands are wrapped around like once or twice at the most. Wow, I'm having a really good hair day. In a perfect world, I could definitely do my hair how I want it every day, and I would have time and energy for all that, but I know that I at least have time to take my hair out and put it into 2 little buns. All right, time to go edit. got a new job. And hi, Charlie. Do you want to see what it is? YouTube hymns? Okay. Will I have enough time for YouTube? And other people have been asking me that too, and I just don't know. I really don't want to give this up. YouTube has saved me through the past year, like mentally, emotionally. I just hope that I can commit to like my 1 video a week. I gotta go. My work laptop is here.